get our greens in. Oh, okay, there you go. Picking out a good piece. Get another good one, yeah. Good one, yeah. I love that noise he makes. Took a chew purr. All right, here we go. Here's a good one. Yes, all right, come in. Sorry, I'll teach you a little bit. Okay, so my boy. And let's find another one. Let's get some good ones. Here you go. Don't worry about the dog. He's outside. He ain't fucks with you. No, it's a weird angle. There you go. Just get that. Through here, make it through here. Couple pieces. Couple pieces. I just went and started ripping grass out. I gotta start growing sweetgrass. I wonder if cats can have wheatgrass. I know it's good for humans, but I know they usually do sweetgrass or catgrass, which I think are the same thing. But this is just straight grass. He only gets to go out little teeny pieces at night, so he'll go hunting. I guess often forget to eat grass, and I'll have to hand feed it to him. I don't mind that. What are bros for, right? What are bros for, right? It's coming. Hold on. Gotta pick a good piece here. Yeah, gotta pick a good piece. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm lowering it. I'm lowering it. One more. All right, we do one more. We do one more. Let me find it, and we do one more. We'll give you a double. Yeah, let's get you a double. There we go.